Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all have been enjoying the videos. This morning we almost hit 100 followers on Instagram, so if you liked our Instagram or if you follow us on Instagram, thank you so much. So today's Saturday. Today is actually my daughter's birthday, or birthday party. So I'm gonna do a little workout here this morning before everybody comes out and we have a good time. But the first thing that I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna log up this pine tree, and then I'm gonna push this brush somewhere, and then start in the woods and pushing the brush out as well. It's a long process, guys. I know now it's 3 videos of us clearing this section, but this wood area right here is probably about 5 acres in total that we need to clear. So just stick with us. After we finish this, the videos will get more exciting and everything like that. I've been seeing a lot of comments and stuff on YouTube, so thank y'all so much. You can follow us on Instagram at Lally Farm. You can follow us on Facebook at Lally Farm. And then, of course, you already know the channel because you're here watching me talk right now. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So thank y'all so much, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I got the chainsaw all sharpened yesterday. So today's first thing I'm gonna do is limb up this, or log up this little pine tree. It's not very big, it's long, but it's not that thick. So I'll go ahead, limb it, cut it into some long logs, and then go ahead and start pushing all of this brush that I cut down yesterday and the day before. And then probably do a little bush hogging since we'll have time. I'm thinking about putting another brush pile over here so we can burn it close to where we work. So we might go ahead and do that today as well. It's supposed to rain this evening, so I'm not too worried about all that. And it's kind of really calm today. There's no strong winds or anything like it has been for the past few days. Look at that, guys. We're getting some really good results. This stuff is awesome looking. So, like I said, all this brush, gonna go push it. Should be pretty good. Start bush hogging a little bit. See how much work I can get done before everybody comes out today. And then I'll have some of the birthday party in this video, so y'all can see my beautiful 1-year-old daughter now. That's so crazy. It's been 1 year. A lot has changed in 1 year. Go from engineering school to working to owning a farm with my family. Like, crazy. So crazy, guys. So yeah, look at this. Look at all this stuff. Look at how green that grass is. Jeez. Got strong storm clouds over there. So, oh, I forgot to mention. Okay. Oh, hold up. Look at this, guys. We look right here. We have our grass that was covered up with leaves and everything is starting to pop through. It's been able to get some sun. So, yeah, it's going to be awesome. So, like I was saying, I forgot to show you this on the Canon, but we left this tree the other day. Look at all these woodpeckers. These holes that these woodpeckers have put in this tree. And yes, it is dead, but it is pretty cool. It's pretty solid. So all the way to the top. It's pretty cool. It's like a little totem. We take the chainsaw and carve a little face in it. Could be our little mascot. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, run the Kubota MX5200 this morning, push all that stuff, and see what we can get done. So let's get to it. All right, guys, it's starting to sprinkle, so I'm gonna shoot this part with the Canon, and then if it stops sprinkling, I'll continue to use the Canon. But if not, then we're gonna just have to switch over to the GoPro because I don't want to get it all soaked. So let's get to it. Alright guys, well, it started raining really hard like I said. I thought it was going to. So I went ahead and cut those into some logs real quick. You can hear the chainsaw in the background. I have one more I need to cut, so I'll try to set y'all up right here and I'll cut it. So let's see what we can do. Sorry about that, guys. I dropped y'all. Yeah, it's still raining, so yeah. It's not really raining, it's sprinkling. So yeah, let's take a look. All right, guys. So yeah, we got 1 log, 2 log, 3 log, 4 log, 5 logs, and then some little stuff. So I'm gonna hop on the tractor and start pushing this stuff in the rain. And then I guess after I push this stuff together, we'll see what time it is and where everybody's at. And then I guess get ready for a party. We're getting rained on, guys. So yeah, everyone, I just go inside to put up the cannon because it's pouring down rain, and now it stops raining. Go figure that. Yeah, so I just finished cutting up that pine tree. Now I'm driving the tractor back over to that spot, and I'm gonna shoot GoPro footage of me pushing all the stuff with the tractor. And then if it stops raining for a long enough time, I'll break out the cannon again and shoot wide stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's check this out real quick. It's coming along, guys. Most definitely is coming along. I wish it wouldn't rain today. That would be really cool, although I'm already soaked, so I guess it's not going to help very much. So just going to go over to this spot and then start pushing stuff. Take everything out of my bucket and then go from there. That's funny, guys. Now the sun wants to peek through. So I'm gonna go ahead, take out my bar oil, take out my fuel, so I can use my bucket, my front end loader, put it over here by the chainsaw. So we're gonna start at this front edge, and then we're gonna push it. Actually, let's walk over here and see where would be a good spot to put a brush pile to burn. Might be right here. Let's look. There's some overhanging branches. So actually, let's walk through here real quick. I know I've showed you this before, but I'm about to show you something that you haven't seen. Cleared this part yesterday. We're gonna have to go in with a big chainsaw and then probably 2 small chainsaws and just spend the day dropping some trees and a bunch of brush. So all of this was open. You've seen a little bit of this, but yesterday bush hogged this area. Probably gonna do a little bush hogging after I push that brush, because that shouldn't take very long. If we come through here, you can see all this was opened. Needs to be hand cleared with chainsaws. And our weed eater with a special thing that we're going to show you whenever we get it back from the shop, so that'll be cool. This section was opened yesterday with bush hogging. So if you like squirrel hunting, this little spot right here is always filled with squirrels. check this out, guys. This area right here, we're gonna have to come in with chainsaws and clear, like I said. But it's coming along. It is coming along. It's exciting. I have to fell this big old boy right here. Look at it. Roots came up. Some more woodpecker sign. But yeah, all this was opened. I really hate the fact that I'm using the GoPro and not the Canon, but because the GoPro right here has a fisheye lens, so it's kind of circular in the screen picture. So, but it is what it is. At least we're documenting what we're doing. Definitely wish I had the Canon out, but the weather's just too hit and miss today. Like literally right now, I'm soaked. That was water, not grease and stuff. I do have extra clothes, so if you see me wearing the same pair of overalls, it's called extra clothes. So all this was cleared. So let's hop back onto the tractor and start pushing this stuff. Look at that. You can see the field. It's pretty awesome, guys. So all of this, all the way back there, will be green like that, with cows and chickens and pigs and goats, all kinds of animals. So hopping back on the tractor, getting in some work. Oh, look at all of that, guys. All that was cleared this last week. Guys, so got all that brush into one pile, so we'll probably just burn right here as well. Look at this, that's all cleared up right now. So it looks like it's not gonna rain on us again, so I'm gonna go back to the house and get the Canon and set up some other shots. So this little stuff we can just pick up by hand. There's no point of trying to pick it up with a tractor. It's just gonna waste too much time. So yeah, got all that. So we'll go push the other brush over to another pile and then start bush hogging some. So stay tuned. All right, everyone. I just went back to the house, noticed that our generator is running. So we have a integrated propane burning generator. It can generate enough power to run our whole house and everything. Apparently there's a power outage in the city, so it's affecting us because we live out kind of in a rural area. I mean, this parcel of land is 50 acres almost, so yeah. But anyway, so I got the Canon and the tripod, because if we look, it cleared up. Yay! It cleared up, so now I can continue to do some work. But I'm soaked, so that's cool. So yeah, we're gonna go back, set up the camera, and push some more brush. And then, depending on what time it is, start bush hogging. So, all right, guys. So look, back on the Canon, yeah, because it's not raining on me. If we look, I went ahead and pushed all that brush. I used the GoPro to get some footage, so, but now we're back to the good camera. So there's the tractor. I used it. I pushed all of this right over here. So we're gonna build up a nice size brush pile from here to here and make it pretty deep, and then we'll burn it inside of our woods after it rains. So it's supposed to rain again later today, so making another pile, pushing it all up and see how it's going. Nice little size. So I'm gonna go over here next to that tree with all the woodpecker holes, and I'm gonna push all the brush that we cut down yesterday onto a burn pile that is adjacent to our front fence line, and then start bush hogging some. So yeah, look at that. It's coming along, guys. So excited. Got another pile of brush. That's why we did our burning video, because we have a lot of stuff that we have to burn. It's pretty awesome though. Super quick with a tractor, not so much if you have to pull it. So, and it's a Kubota MX 5200. So let's keep on keeping. This is what it looks like, guys, after we pushed that brush. Let's look and see if I can get any more with the tractor. If not, then I guess we'll start bush hogging. I might can get this stuff right here. There's a big hill underneath it, so maybe not. Let's look. So we'll have to pull this out by hand. So that's what we're gonna do some other time. But I guess right now we'll start bush hogging. I'll bush hog this little strip, and then we'll go into the woods and see where we can bush hog there. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna take the tractor over here and I'm gonna bush hog that little strip, and then we're gonna go see what else we can bush hog. let's see what we did. We got a lot of stuff done today. It's about 1 o'clock, so probably should wrap up the actual work today because people are going to start coming in for Gwen's party. So about to go clean the tractor off, get the drone out, fly this around a little bit, see what we did. We got a lot of stuff done. Look at how clear it is. Let's go out here and look. So if we look at this, guys, look at all that cleared. Again, the Kubota MX 5200. So, did work today. Look at that coming along. Look how green that is. Gosh. Here we go again. Another angle. Got a lot cleared today. So again, Silvopasture. That's what this is going to be, guys. I don't know if you've seen all the other videos, but that's what this is going to be. Silvopasture. So we'll walk through it a little bit more. It's turning out really good. Just got to do a bunch more bush hogging. So that whole section behind the tractor to the right of the tractor was cleared today. And I would continue working, but like I said, got my daughter's birthday party today, so that's what we're going to do next. It's a little windy. Clearing up. So tomorrow's Sunday. Probably going to do the same thing that we did today and just bush hog and chop down trees. Actually cut down trees. Got quite a few back there that we need to fell so that we can open it up. That's the other brush pile that I made this morning. Found this chair in the woods from whoever was here before we purchased this land. Also found another deer stand. So if you look at our other videos, you would see what this looked like before, but it's getting there. So yeah, I'm gonna say it one more time. Silvopasture. If you don't know what it is, it's wooded pasture land for livestock, and it's just pretty, and that's what we're making here. I'm gonna reiterate, it's gonna probably take about a year or so for the ground and the soil in the woods to develop when we seed it, because naturally there should be enough seed in the ground already, because that's how the earth works. But we're going to overseed it. We're going to broadcast seed after we get it cleared. Probably drag it after we disc it, and then have our silvopasture in here. We'll have some cows, some chickens, some goats in here. And if there's any underbrush that sprouts back up, the goats and the cows will eat it. So that's another source of food for them. So they'll just munch on it and they'll eat the grass that grows. But they won't be able to just pick and choose what they want, because we're going to put all of our livestock in paddocks. So little grids, little squares, and each day we'll rotate that square, that grid, and put them in a new section so they can help break down any brush that forms or anything really. And they'll just eat it and create manure, and then it'll go into the ground, and then we'll follow it up with some pigs and then some chickens, and they'll do the same thing. And over time it's going to enrich our soil, and it's going to be great. So opened this up yesterday. I showed you it already, but just showing some more. So, but yeah, there we go, guys. I'm probably going to show some of my daughter's birthday party today, so if you want to stick around and watch that, that's awesome. Just drop a comment down below. It's actually Coco inspired, because that's her favorite movie. She's 1 year old, and she loves that movie. We watch it, I don't know, 25, 30 times a week. It's her favorite. So that's what we're going to do today, and get some drone footage before everybody shows up. And like our page, like us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, both of which are Lally Farms or Lally Farm. And then you're already at our YouTube channel, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all so much, and as always, your kind comments, your nice words to us inspires us and makes us keep wanting to show everybody what we're doing. So just drop a comment down below, and we're gonna respond to it. So thank y'all. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dwayne. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out. Yay. Oh, yes. She knows what to do with it, doesn't she? Mom can sing. I'm videoing it. She can watch it. Oh, yeah. He said good stuff. He said good stuff. Oh, she knows. I knew she was going to do it. Oh my goodness. Get all that icing on top. That icing. Should I cut into it? Or you can just...
Hit that knife.
I don't know. She might do it eventually.
Don't let her push it on.
Y'all ain't made her get good. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness.
Wonder if that's gonna like stain.
Oh,
Probably.
most of them.
There's not much black food colored in it, so
That's pretty good.
it's good. I had extra.
She does.
Yeah.
Okay. She's
got a beard.
She does.
That is numb.
Right, she's gonna have a sugar crush.
Icing on top, JC. She did. I wanted to get some actual cake. Oh, dang. Oh, there's a board, right? There's a board underneath the cake itself. You gotta get in between the board and the cake. I see it now. There we go. Oh, wait, it's not fall. Yep. You honestly could just
Take the board off.
Yeah. Cool. There we go. Now push it off, sister.
She eats real food so well.
Yes, she does.
All right, Gui, I think